Hi. Look at you playing with your toys. You gonna roll on your side? Is that what you're doing? Is that what you're doing? Hi. Oh, there you go. Reach for it. Reach for it. Good job. Good job, Henry. Yeah. There you go. Trying to watch TV while you play? Is that what you're doing? Yeah. Watching a serious drama? There you go, good job. There's a big boy. There's a big boy in your cargo shorts. You want to smile for everybody? You want to smile for everybody? You want to smile? Can you smile? There you go. There you go. There you go. You gonna smile? You gonna smile? Just stare at us seriously? You just staring seriously at things? Yeah? Got my hand? Oh, what's that? Yeah, very serious. Very serious boy. Yeah. Yeah? Those are some good looking cargo shorts, Henry. Yeah? There you go. Grabbing onto it. Grabbing onto it. Are you talking? Are you talking? You telling me you're having fun? Wanna go do something else? Wanna go do something else, or are you having fun? What was that? What was that you were saying? What was that you were saying? Oh yeah? Is that right? Is that what you have to say about that? Yeah. Yeah, what was that? Can you repeat that for me? Can you repeat that for me? Yeah? Was that a burp or a talk? You talking or burping? Both? Sometimes both? Yeah. Yeah.